Look at the road. Sige. Crash. So, turuan din kita ng apat na klase ng back parking.
Okay.
Lahat ng may mga nakapark na sasakyan at least 1 meter away. Pag wala naman sasakyan, enough na yung ganitong distance sa mota.
Okay.
Before the middle. Sige, traffic light tayo. Turn right. And dito is the giving signal. Control it by the brake. And then shoulder check na rito isa. Control it. Kailangan makikita yung little bit of the ground parate Then, maybe stops. Full stop, letting fill. Tapos check for pedestrian. Pag walang pedestrian, punta ka na sa corner, follow the curve. Then stop dito. Vision good.
Good po.
Okay. Tapos check mo yung yung road markings So yung right lane natin bicycle lane So pasok mo doon na siguro Basta lahat kailangan lahat ng turning mo kailangan clear yung mo yung vision mo sa left Sige, on. Maybe shoulder check right. A little bit fast because we are makikitawid lang tayo. Turn. So hindi pa rin sa atin tong na to. Ang may-ari pa rin yung mga padiretso, okay? Every time there is an intersection, just simply turn your head at exactly at the intersection. Then turn your head right. Kung saan lang yung malapit mo na hazard, okay? Control. So ano lang medyo madulas lang ang kalsada dapat yung safe following distance mo maganda. May sasakyan dito, full turn mo ito muna, tapos 360 check left to right, and then paglabas shoulder check left. Yan, additional look at control the brake with the brake. Look at the road, control it. Sige, dito tayo sa puti. Sige. Signal. Sige. Mirror to mirror Okay. Then, to the right. 3/4. Yan. Dapat ganito Then, 360 check. Bago ako umatras, start muna. 360 check. Bigyan mo akong 360 check. Left to right Don't forget. Sige, go. Huwag mo gagalawin yan. Slow down, mabilis. Slow down. Yun, sumobra ka na.
Saan yung kuya kapag kailangan
Ito, yung second
okay,
line.
okay.
Ulitin natin. Let them pass. Pag yung ganta. Demonstrate ko ulit one time Yeah, sige, tanggalin mo yung mo. Ako magdadrive, meron naman ako dito. So, dapat ganito lang siya kalayo Hindi yung sobrang lapit, sobrang layo. So, mirror to mirror. Reverse. Signal right. No, right. Tapos 360 check Slow down lang din to Ito
Okay.
Yan second line O kaya yung plate number na usually dito ka titingin pattern mo lang yung na dapat malapit siya sa side mirror. Saan mo nakita yung SE9 sa banda rito? Malapit sa side mirror dito,
The bottom of the side.